Have you ever wondered how dehumidifiers work to remove excess moisture from the air? Let's break it down. When humidity levels rise, it can lead to mold and discomfort, but that's where dehumidifiers come in. Dehumidifiers pull in humid air using a fan, which then passes through cold coils that condense moisture into water. The collected water drips into a tank, which you need to empty regularly, ensuring a comfortable living environment. By maintaining the right humidity level between 30% and 50%, dehumidifiers help improve air quality and overall comfort.